Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we got a perfect dash. We have literally one that is exactly, so for those of you who don't know, I drive east every single day along the same road to get to my gym, which we are going to the gym right now. That's the wrong shaker bottle. I'm notorious for having many shaker bottles in the car because I always forget to take them out. But anyways, we got a perfect order, $6.50 from McDonald's, and it delivers exactly on the way. This is why I'm always logged in. And actually, for the last few days, I've been making pretty decent money. Yesterday, we made $38 on Doordash. I know some of you are like, that's not good money, but I don't really do that much Doordash anymore. But it's always just good to have like a nice little supplementary extra income, you know? Anyways, today, we're going to talk about something that we kind of always talk about, but how Doordash basically hires anyone. And someone basically ratted themselves out to me. Not really ratted themselves out, but in the last video we talked about how basically someone tried to rape someone and rob them and like walked in, and we were talking about how like literally anyone he had hired and how they don't check your background or anything. So someone was kind enough to tell me, hey, I've actually been fired from every single job that I have, and I got hired on Doordash. And I'm like, that's great, but in any normal circumstances, any job is going to like, any normal job is going to like check your background, check your, I mean, I guess they do have a background check, but your previous jobs don't actually show up when you do a background check. They just go through your criminal history and all that stuff. So even if you're the absolute worst employee that anyone could have ever hired, as long as you don't got any bad stuff on your background check and you got a clean driving record, then you're gonna get hired. But yeah, so this guy was basically telling me that he's been fired from every job he's had, which is 4 different jobs, between restaurant, Walmart, I think the other one was like a sporting goods place. I'd never heard of it before. There's one other one. I can't remember because I'm not looking at the email right now. But basically, he's been fired from every single job, and then he got hired on Doordash, and he said it's the best job he's ever had, though. Which I can agree, you know? Like, most people don't like, I wouldn't take another normal job ever again. I'm just personally not in that kind of space to ever, I mean, I have 3 businesses, so I'm not getting another job anytime soon. But anyone can literally be hired, you know? If you just happen to be like a dangerous criminal, which happens all the time, and you just happen to not have got caught yet, you know, we've all seen this before. We had a Bloods gang member delivering Doordash who like supposedly jizzed in a cop's Chipotle order. Can you imagine that? Like sitting there masturbating in your car so you can jizz in this guy. That was a crazy story. And then we have this guy that basically tried to like rob and rape someone coming into their actually, so that wasn't actually on a Doordash order. That was on, like, that guy had delivered to her before, and then he came back later to do that, and she knew that that was the Doordash driver. How dumb do you have to be to do that? You know, like, you know there's a track record of you being there, and you know they have your information. So, I don't know. Some people are stupid as a rock. Some people are just straight up pathetic when it comes to just life in general. But anyways, all right, we just pulled up to McDonald's. I gotta run in real quick. Not gonna lie, I'm about 3 minutes late to to pick up this order, because as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh, perfect order. Gotta grab the shoe boxes. Now we get the shoe boxes, so we're gonna do this all in one trip. Super convenient. Wow, there's a long line in there. I hope I don't have to wait in a long line for this food. Be right back. All right, got the order. Now we are on the way to drop off this. Unfortunately, it's to an apartment complex. Probably the most, I hate delivering to apartment complexes, but I am very happy that Doordash has started putting their actual location, so you can actually just go to where the pinpoint takes you, and it doesn't just take you to the front office or something like that like it used to. But, okay, question of the day to the audience. How long do you think it is until DoorDash starts doing like an interview or something? You know, how many people have to get robbed, or like how many crazy incidents is DoorDash going to go through before they actually start looking into the people that they're hiring? And you know, I'm like, on one hand, I'm happy that like if you've had a bad work experience and you've been fired, and maybe, I don't know, then maybe you can like redeem yourself on DoorDash. I feel like it's a lot easier of a job to do well at. Like, all you gotta do is pick up food. There's no customer service. Maybe if you are someone who cannot stand doing customer service, DoorDash could be the perfect job for you. You know, like, I know a lot of people that I could never see them like doing, I don't know, being a waiter or something like that. But, you know, you can hustle pretty hard, and some people have really good work ethic. They're just really not good with people. Maybe DoorDash is a perfect opportunity for them. But at the same time, I'm also like, I mean, personally, if I'm like hiring people, I take into consideration a lot of things. People's work ethic. Do they have an attitude? Like, they're just hiring such massive amounts of people. I just feel like, you know, like a 10-minute Zoom interview or something like that should be necessary, you know? It should be, at least, but who knows? Because, you know, like, I think at least if they see someone's face, they'll know, oh, this guy might be like a little bit of a hoodlum or something like that. I don't know. It's kind of hard to judge someone through a Zoom interview, but who knows? But I do know that when I went to, like, work for Lyft, there was, like, this whole, like, vehicle inspection and all that stuff that, I mean, they're taking a lot more seriously than DoorDash, where you could literally be anyone with any kind of car. Oh man, this is literally delivering right next to the post office, which is like perfect for me. Anyways, yeah, comment down below, how long do you think it is, or like what has to happen before these companies start actually doing an interview process? You know, because it kind of looks bad on everyone when there's news articles that pop up about whether it's like a DoorDash driver taking a shit in the lobby of an apartment complex, or I don't even want to speak about the things we've already spoke about, you know? Like, how long does it take, and what has to go down for them to be like, okay, maybe we should start doing a little bit of a background, or like a work history, or like a 10-minute interview or something. I just think it's dangerous to hire people. I mean, who's liable at that point, you know? If you hire a DoorDash driver who's basically like a rapist, which basically that's what the last video was about. Like, I don't know, who's liable at that, you know? Is DoorDash? I don't know, because they're independent contractors basically. Anyways, all right, we are pulling up to the UPS store. Gonna drop off these shoes real quick before I drop off this order, which is literally in the parking lot next to me. Bam, dropped off the packages. Now we just got to go over to this next parking lot. This is as productive as let's say 20 minutes gets. You know, I'm gonna get so many things done. I got the shoe orders dropped off for the day, making $6.50. Who knows, it might be more. It's actually only 2.5 miles that I had to drive, so maybe, just maybe, there's a post-it, but I think it's very unlikely. Does DoorDash like hide tips if the order is less than $7? I don't know. Has anyone gotten that? This is my question to you guys. Help me out. Does DoorDash hide tips on orders less than $7? I wish we had Para around still, where it could actually just tell me, you know, like if there's a post tip or not, because that was like the greatest cheat code of all time, was freaking Para. And unfortunately, it's no longer with us. Rest in peace, Para. Anyways, all right, now we're at the customer's house, which is like right here. Be right back. Okay, I guess I answered my question. We got a post tip, $7.50. I think, so that answers my question. There can be, because it was $6.50 for 2.5 miles. Anytime there's like a $3 a mile thing or something like that, I think it goes based on like how many dollars per mile the delivery is. I'm not sure. If someone could come up with the formula for figuring this out and comment it down below, if anyone has any kinds of theories or anything, that'd be great. It'd be great if we had like a specific formula, like we know this is going to have a post tip, you know. Anyway, $7.50 to basically drive to the gym and the post office. Pretty good day pretty good dash in my opinion. Does not get much better than that. So we're gonna wrap it up on a high note. And okay, here we go. So many cars right here. Anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. If you guys enjoy my videos at all, please consider subscribing, and also go to my footwear company's website, offaxisathletics.com. Use the discount code offaxistanner for 30% off. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Did you smash it yet? Okay, hold on. There we go. It's smashed. All right. We will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Drive safe. Make that money. Yeah.